All right, traders, TG Watkins here. It is July 15th, Monday, when I'm recording this. So some of you guys have seen my weekend video, also the free and premium video, and my newsletter on Profit Pilot website. We got a lot of action going on here. The IWM is breaking out and continues to go up, even though the rest of the market is going down, like the Nasdaq and the S&P. Basically, what's happening is over the last several months, it's basically been the Mag 7 and all the mega caps running. And now, suddenly, we've been waiting for this for years, but then also we've been waiting for this since several months ago. The market is now really figuring out that interest rates are going to be getting cut. And we're starting to see some 2020 vibes again, and we had an absolute field day. We had a great time in 2020 when the small caps were just exploding. And we're seeing that right now. So make sure you guys come over. I'm going to be doing a webinar, I think, next week to show you guys more about the Moxie indicator, my trading room, everything I'm doing. So I want to make sure you guys know about that. Start tuning in, check out the trial, come into the Moxie room. We're having a good time. Like, this is my kind of trading. So simplertrading.com/Moxie. And to just show you guys the rotation and what's happening in here, you can see that the S&P is extended. It's kind of up here. And it's been bouncing around a little bit, but I mean, you can even see today we moved up a little bit. We actually made 250% and 100% on a morning day trade using 0 DTE options in the Moxie room. And then it's just been selling off all day. But that's okay, because if you look at the IWM, straight up, and it continues to be strong even today. Now, this will probably pull back, right? Things don't go up forever, and I'm fully expecting that this is going to pull back. So I have a longer term position in this. I have leveraged ETF. I don't have to worry about theta and time decay. I fully expect at some point this is going to pull back, but I only want to be a buyer of this kind of stuff. We nailed this. That was our entry right there. You can see the Moxie price trigger right there. We've been waiting for this, and then it just exploded it and basically didn't give anybody an opportunity to get in unless you were in ahead of time, which we were. And so this is fantastic. We're in XBI, so Lab U, which is the leveraged ETF, and same thing. You had to be in this thing before it moved, which we were. We were up like 25% right now in the leveraged ETF. And again, not the greatest place to buy this right now, okay? So for all of the excitement and rah, I'm fully expecting we're going to see some dents in our account probably in the next few days, because these things are probably going to pull back. But I don't want to get out of them because I think that they're going to go longer into the future. So dip buys only. I'm not selling in any of these things, and I'm not buying it right now. I'm going to wait for these opportunities. The other thing that has really been working well for us, the crypto market and crypto miners has gone absolutely insane today, and it started Friday. So I know we can talk a little bit about the Trump thing. There was also something about Germany with crypto. I don't know what's going on with that, and I don't know if this is related to Trump. But whatever the situation is, we saw this coming. We've been in it for a few weeks. It had a bit of a fake out move. We stayed in it, and we are definitely on our way higher. Huge volume, big move, big breakout. Look at the rest of the crypto miners. Huge move across the board in all of them, including coin and Bitcoin itself. So yeah, we were in this thing and just waiting. And we even added more on Friday, and now we're up big time on this. So our accounts are doing well. Everyone's pretty happy in this kind of stuff. Again, it's hard to kind of chase this, but that's why you want to get in ahead of time. And we saw these things really lighting up beforehand. So really fantastic. In fact, my account, my own personal account, is up 35% today. So as you can tell, I was kind of heavily in some of these things and doing well. I traded my dad's account. He's up 24%. So yeah, we're having a good time with this. I do think it's going to continue. Sure, there will be pullbacks. There's probably going to be a pullback soon. I think it's only going to provide opportunities, so we're not getting shaken out of this, and we're not going to be too worried or too scared. Okay, this is like just the beginning. All right, guys. So just remember, we've got some look for some advertising. I've got a webinar coming up that I want to show you guys. Now that this is my market, this is the thing we have been waiting for and looking for. Number one, 3 years, because as soon as interest rates started going up after COVID, all these things that were speculative and interest rate sensitive, like small caps and IWM, they all got shot, and they just went down, and then they just have been dead money for a long time. And now we're finally starting to see not only the rotation, but the catch-up play, okay? And we're seeing volume come into it. So I'm sure the FANG stocks, the mega caps and the mag 7s, I'm sure they will continue to go up over time. They probably need to take a break and a rest because they are so high. But I think we're going to start seeing a new crop of stocks start to crop up. And this is going to be my kind of deal. This is exactly what I'm looking for and waiting for. And we're going to be having a good time. So come on over to the Moxie Room, check it out. As I said, we've got a trial, but really, a quarterly subscription is not that much compared to what we're doing with huge moves like this. I mean, look at Mara; it's up 25%. That's going to cover some costs pretty darn easily and pretty quickly. Okay, we're just having a good time with this. AMD, we're in AMDL. We got into this one perfectly. It's up also 25%. Okay, so this market is coming alive. And it's broadening out, and now's the time to strike while things are really working out. Okay, guys? I'm excited. I hope you are too. Looking forward to seeing you in the room, and we'll take care of you there. All right, guys. Thanks again. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.